If you want to remove a payment method from your Wish account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is updated. Step 1. Open the Wish app or website. Launch the Wish app on your mobile device or visit the Wish website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the menu option, depending on whether you are using the app or the website. Step 3. Test payment methods. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Payment Methods or Billing. Click or tap on this option to view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option next to it to edit or delete. Click or tap on the Delete option. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice to complete the process. After following these steps, your payment method should be successfully removed from your Wish account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wish customer support for assistance.